Okay, now that we've got the Profinet network up and running, we will add a hardware module to this setup. So first, we're going to take a look at what hardware modules are available on the slave side. So we're going to open our hardware, station 1, and as you can see, we have a DO216 on slot number 2. So to add this, we're going to go back to the master, and we're going to go to the P and slave part right here. Then here you can see all the modules you can add. So we can right click on the screen here and go new module. Then we're going to search for the module we have on the slave. So in our case, a DO216. Select it and we go next. And here make sure you select the same slot number as it is physically on the slave. So in my case, slot number 2. We're going to press finish. Then we're going to save our configuration. Now, this will result in a pop-up which will say to overwrite the existing file on the slave. So we're going to go yes, override it, then again reboot the slave, wait a bit and reboot the master afterwards. Now that our master and slave have rebooted, we're going to check if everything is working correctly. So we open our Networks tab on our master, Profinet, and then open our P and slave again. And as you can see, the blue icon is there again, which means that our hardware module is now added to our Profinet network. If we double click on our DO216 and you go into your monitor view, you can see here which channels you can read and write. So in this case, I can invert channel 1 from the master. And if we then go to our slave and we check our DO216, you will see that the channel here has also been changed. All right, so in the next chapter, we're going to take a look at how to add SVI variables to our Profinet network.